Hello, fellow entrepreneurs. Today we are back again with another very important dose of business learning for you in our weekly Business Pe Charcha session by Business Leadership League. So today our expert Kripanand Chidambaram, the business head of Mark Creative, is going to talk about the key benefits and features of Google My Business. You need to use these features if you want your Google My Business page to benefit your business, to reach out to people, to have maximum views. Let's understand.
One is they're looking for a contact number. हो सकता है they already know you, but they don't have your contact number handy, correct? So the only way to find is either they will have to go to their contact box and try to search, scroll करो. उससे अच्छा क्या लगता है easy है directly Google में जाओ और डाल दो for example Sajni as a company. तो then first result आ जाता है तो I can easily find a contact number. So that the convenience है. So you need to update your contact number. So that's why people are Googling. Next could be to find direction to reach your premises, correct? Whether yours is a retail outlet or it is an office or any other premises hai. So they would want to come in, even if it's a manufacturing unit ho, koi bhi ho. So people might want to visit your place. So instead of calling you and asking, Shweta Padma, can you tell me how do I reach Business Leadership League office? तो कुछ नहीं, मैं सीधा क्लिक करूंगा, immediately I see it in Google Map and they've integrated that as a product. Just click कर it will take you directly to Google Maps and direction में you're able to easily locate without asking anybody, without asking direction from मतलब कोई ऑटो रिक्शा वाला से किसी से पूछने की जरूरत नहीं. You just absolutely reach comfortably and safely, correct? So that means they're looking for, so ensure that your map has been properly updated, the location. There is something called as a geotagging. So the geotagging has been done properly. I'll guide you how those things can also be done, but let's fundamentally understand what people look for and why that information needs to be updated. Now they're looking for your website, maybe they want to know more information, तो आपको website करने सकता है. Now you will find it, यार मैं तो Google में search करूँगा तो directly मेरे website आ सकता है ना. But many times a lot of people have familiar names, correct? So we would have let's say business leadership. Though the name is very, very unique, there is a good chance a lot of similar names हो सकता है. We might not know the extension. Something would be .com, .in, .co.in, .org. So 3-4 things will get confused. So if it is there in my Google My Business के account में है, तो we will exactly know this is my website, this is my official website. So if you click and you can learn much more about my products, services, what kind of solutions I'm offering, my credentials, about me, my team, all of those things they can get from my website. So that's why it's very important to have your website linked to your Google My Business account, correct? Then there is a chance that they want to know about you, your reviews, correct? So you must have seen that there is these 4-star, 5-star. I'll also share the screen once. Maybe I just complete this part. So it could be 4-star, 5-star. In terms of reviews, somebody must have commented, somebody must have given bad reviews, whatever it is. So a lot of people will want to know before I buy your products or services, or even I want to take your solution, or even I visit your office or your outlet, retail outlet, I might want to review your services. So then to consolidate that, so Google My Business is a great way to have a look at that, correct? Then they might also want to know about timing. Say if it is a shop, I want to know, or if it is, let's say, coaching classes, for example. So I want to know what time it opens, what time it closes. Do you have a lunch break? Are you working on a Saturday? Are you working on a Sunday? Let's say today is some holiday, public holiday, but are you open? So all of those informations can be found in Google My Business account. So it's very important that you always keep this relevant and updated, correct? Because nobody will find it comfortable to website में जाके, and usually we don't make that as part of a website also. वो भी होगा, ढूंढो, 4 click 5 click करने के बाद you end up saying, so इसमें Google My Business में यही करना है. Then they want to message you. So there is a feature in Google My Business, and that feature can be accessed only when they use Google My Business from their mobile. So उसमें there is a messenger, there is a message wala box hai. So just go there, type saying okay. It could be even a lot of people use it for even job application these days. They're saying sir, I am so and so student hai, or have so and so experience. Do you have any vacancy? A lot of people do that. Sometimes somebody has certain thing about product hai. Do you have this specific product available in your store now? So those kind of it can also be used as a messaging app. So again, in this case, you need to be very, very quick in responding to them. Google also looks at how quickly you respond. If you don't respond that, they might even disable that, or they might even blacklist you that. So it's very, very important that you try to respond to the messages as quickly as possible. Now, they want to check the credibility about your organization also, correct? So there is a feature where you can upload all your company. Say like for example, if it is a retail store, you can put front ka photo, interior photos, your products, your show, all of those things. Your office hai to office ka building ka photos, wo sab karne se kya hai, credibility badhta hai, correct? So ensure that those things are updated. You can also have product ka listing. So if it is, let's say, even you're in fashion brand and all of those things, you can have many of those photos also there. So they'll also get a quick picture में समझ में आ जाएगा, अच्छा, they are into this product category or this into they are so and so services, वो सब पता चल जाएगा. So Google My Business में these features also can be updated. And there is a feature, and it's very similar to, let's say, Facebook or LinkedIn or Instagram. You can also use it as a social channel, where you can keep sharing articles, you can share some interesting insights. You can like, it's very, very similar to putting a post in a Facebook or a LinkedIn or any other social media. And many of us ignore this, but all I'm trying to say is that since it's a Google product and still 89-90% of all searches is happening in Google, so they still dominate the search expectations of users. So I would want you to pay a lot of attention to Google My Business as a social channel as well. Now, if you want to look at offers, so there is a specific section in Google My Business where it says current offers. So you're saying, okay, it's a weekend offer, or it's, let's say, Valentine's Day offer. So you say 20% offer, 30% offer, you want to share a code here. So all of those things can also be done through this. So if somebody wants to look at certain updates about your organization, so that can also be done through the Google My Business. So this is the power of it. Many of us feel that it's more like a Google search engine के लिए. So they will try to discover about your business and come. Oh, this is a very, very secondary part. उसको आप उस तरीके में मत सोचिए. And if you do try to find that, okay, I will use this as my Google search, we'll try to influence people who don't know about me, and they will try to discover. That's not efficient for that, or it's not made for that. But still, I'll tell you, keep people who don't know your business and how they can discover you using Google My Business.
PLL session. Glad to be here. PLL. So glad to be part of
PLL.